Have pests been taking over your garden? Ants, lawn caterpillars, harvester termites, and crickets can all cause serious damage to your lawn and garden beds. They destroy roots, leave unsightly patches on your lawn, and weaken your plants, making them more vulnerable to stress and disease. But here's the good news. There's an easy, effective way to fight back. Imagine a solution that targets pests directly where they hide, whether in the soil or within plants, with no mixing or spraying required. It's as simple as scattering the granules and watering them in. This ready-to-use solution provides powerful pest control with extremely low toxicity for birds and mammals, but is toxic to bees and fish, so always use responsibly and as directed in your garden. So, for a hassle-free way to protect your plants, choose Protek Scatterkill For Insects. Protect your lawn and garden and watch those pests scatter.